I am Ashwath from A Plus Academy studying in 8th standard. My topic is sound. What is sound? Sound is a source of energy. It is a source of energy. Sound is a source of energy. What is meant by energy? Energy is a capacity to do work. We will see about sources of sound: vibration, amplitude, wavelength, frequency, pitch, audible and inaudible sound. Let's go about sources. There are many types of sources like mobile phone, TV, flute, tabla. Like TV and tabla, etc. Next, vibration. Vibration is a to or fro motion of an object is called vibration. Amplitude is a the distance between mean and any extreme position. Extreme position is called amplitude. The distance between mean and any extreme position is called amplitude. Next, wavelength. The wavelength is the distance between two successive crust or trough. Wavelength. The distance between two successive crust or trough is called wavelength. Next, frequency. The frequency is a one oscillation per second is called frequency. The number of oscillations per second is called frequency. Next, pitch. It denotes shrillness and sharpness of the sound. It denotes shrillness and sharpness. Next, audible and inaudible sound. Audible sound which are more than 20 Hz and less than 20,000 Hz is called audible. Audibles are more than 20 Hz but less than 20,000 Hz. Inaudible sounds are less than 20 Hz, more than 20,000 Hz are called inaudible sounds. More than 20,000 Hz are called audible and inaudible sounds. Let's come to diagram. The distance between mean and any extreme position is called amplitude. Wavelength. The distance between any two successive crust or trough is called wavelength. There we are taking example of two crusts. The distance between two crusts is called wavelength. Let us revise all the things what we have learned. What is sound? Sound is a source of energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Sources of sound. There are many sources of sound like TV, tabla, mobile phone, harmonium, etc. Vibration. The to or fro or back or forth of motion of an object is called vibration. Amplitude. The distance between mean and any extreme position is called amplitude. Next, wavelength. The distance between any two successive crust or trough is called wavelength. Next, frequency. The number of oscillations per second is called frequency. Pitch. It denotes shrillness and sharpness of the sound. Audible. The audible sounds are more than 20 Hz and less than 20,000 Hz are called audible sounds. Next, inaudible sound. The sounds which are less than 20 Hz and more than 20,000 Hz is called inaudible sound. Dogs can hear more than 20,000 Hz. Thank you.